For my term project, I created a graphical user interface for a microcontroller board called the Adafruit Circuit Playground Express. So here what I'm doing is I'm creating Python representations of the blocks, the programming blocks here. So here I'm just going to, I'm programming this to stay green unless the light sensor exceeds 100. So that means if I hit a flashlight with it, it should turn on, and it'll hold that for half a second and then repeat itself. So now I can actually open the Python that was downloaded to the board through this program, and here's the actual Python that is being executed on the board. Now we can see the Python being executed here in this video. Okay, so when I hit the flashlight, it'll change color to red. Okay. Another feature included on the microcontroller board is the speaker. Here I'm programming the first part of Mary Had a Little Lamb. Another feature control-wise that I implemented in this graphical user interface is for loops. So instead of including 3 E blocks at the end, I can just repeat E 3 times. So here is the code that I'm uploading to the board. Now we can see the Python being executed here.